Question number 39, the same kind of question where we need to choose that option in which the usage of the word is incorrect. The musician would hear a chord in his head and play each note individually. Teenagers may feel a need to cut the umbilical cord, tying them to their homes. He purchased a cord of wool from the market, and the last one, to keep the key safe, she wore it on a cord around her neck. She wore it on a cord means a string, so we eliminate this. He purchased a cord of wool from the market is also correct. Teenagers may feel a need to cut the umbilical cord. Umbilical cord is also a thread, or that thread that connects a child to a mother. Here the usage is figurative, not actually cut the real or the actual umbilical cord, but sever or connections with the homes in which they have been brought up or born. Okay, so we get the correct answer as 1. The musician would hear a chord in his head, a thread or a string? No, a note, a musical note, and this is how it has to be spelt. Okay.